Dear listener, welcome to my channel. Topic of this video is exercises on manipulation of discrete time signal. In first video, I have already explained all types of signal operation in detail. This is the link for the first video. Before starting the exercises on the signal manipulation, first remember these important rules. Delay, which is represented by x of n minus k. In delay of the signal, the step is shift arrow to the left by k units. Signal advance, that is x of n plus k, shift arrow to the right by k units. Fold and delay, priority is to the first fold and then delay. It is represented by minus n plus k, fold the signal and shift arrow to the left by k units. Fold and advance, x of minus n minus k, fold the signal and shift arrow to the right by k units. So in this video, all exercises are related with these four rules. These are the unit step signal and unit impulse response, that is a delta function. There are exercises related to this function, that is unit step and delta signal. That's why signal are shown for your reference. First example, display u of n. Now u of n is nothing but the unit step signal whose value is 1 when n is greater than or equal to 0, and on the negative side it is 0. So we can represent the signal like this. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. They are the location of the point, that is value of n, and this is nothing but the x of n. So this is u of n. Now next signal operation is u of n minus 3. Now u of n minus 3 is nothing but delay of the signal, that is signal is delayed by 3 units. In this n minus 3, we require to shift the arrow to the left by 3 units. So 1, 2 and 3. Now after that, the arrow comes here and from this location 0 starts. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, minus 4. Now you can easily observe that initially the 1 started at the 0th location, and now you see that the 1 started at the 3rd location because signal is delayed by these 3 units. So this is nothing but the u of n minus 3. Next is u of n plus 3. N plus 3 is nothing but the advance of the signal. This is the u of n. Now we require to shift the arrow to the right by 3 units. 1, 2 and 3. And this location new arrow comes, and here we start the 0th location. See the output 1, 2, 3, and here arrow comes, and here start with the 0th location. This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and minus 5, and this is the positive side. You observe from the original signal and this signal, here 1 started at the 0th location, but here 1 started at the minus 3 location because signal is advanced, started early than the specified time. Next is u of minus n plus 3. Here minus n represents the signal is folded, and plus 3 is nothing but the delayed version. Therefore first priority is to the folding operation. So first we apply the u of minus n. U of minus n is nothing but whatever the values on the positive side are shifted to the negative, and values on the negative side are shifted to the positive. This is u of n and this is u of minus n, totally mirrored image. So this all portion 1, 2, 3, 4 values, that is 1, 1, 1, all shifted to the negative side, and these 4 values are shifted to the right. I have shown the signal only for few values, so this is an infinite signal which is represented by dash dash dash. Now u of minus n plus 3. U of minus n plus 3 represent in which there is a folding is there and delay is there. So whenever delay is there, we always shift the arrow to the left. So therefore we require to shift the arrow to the left by 3 units. This is u of minus n, 1, 2 and 3, and here our arrow shifts here, and arrow is nothing but the starting of the signal, that is 0. So this is the arrow 0, and in this way we can achieve u of minus n plus 3. First do the folding operation and then make the signal to the shift on the left shift by 3 units. Next is u minus n minus 3. This is the signal folding as well as advance operation. So this is u of n. After that first we apply the minus n, that is the folding operation. So this is u of minus n, exactly opposite shifting. After that we require to apply the advance operation. In advance operation this is minus 3, but as it is a signal is folding, so this minus 3 indicates the advance operation. In advance operation, we always shift the arrow to the right. So this is the location 1, 2 and 3. So here our 0th location starts, so signal get advanced by 3 units after folding the signal. Now see the next example. First is x of n minus 3. Now x of n is given, signal is moving from minus 3 to 3, and these are the value on the negative side and these are the value on the positive side. First we require to apply x of n minus 3. N minus 3 indicates the delay of the signal by 3 units. So we require to shift the arrow to the left by 3 units, 1, 2 and 3. So this is nothing but the signal starts here. So now see, the initially the signal started at the minus 3, but after delay the signal starts at the 0th location. X of 2n. 2n is nothing but the downscaling of the signal, that is signal gets compressed. Now here factor is 2, so we are taking the values from the signal which are the multiple of 2's. So we are taking 0, that is at 0th location 1 is there, we are directly taking. After that we will skip this value at 1 location, we will take directly at the 2 location. So at 2 location value is 1, so this 1, and 3 is not possible. Then on the negative side we can take minus 2 whose value is 3, so 3 is there, and they are represented as 0, 1 and minus 1. So this is nothing but downsampling of the signal, that is the compression of the signal or downscaling. Next is x of 3 minus n operation. Now 3 minus n indicates, first this is the folding plus delay operation. So here we require to first apply the folding operation. This is the x of n. X of minus n is nothing but the exactly opposite. So all this 1, 1, 4 comes here, and this 1, 3 and minus 6 will goes to the positive side. So this is x of n and this is x of minus n. After that we require to apply the operation of shifting. Now here plus 3 indicates signal delays because minus n is there. So in terms of delay we always shift the signal to the left hand side. So this is the original signal, that is x of minus n. Shift the signal to the left by 3 units, 1, 2 and 3. So here gets our signal started. So this is nothing but the folding and the delay operation. Next is x of n by 2, that is the upscaling of the signal. So here we are required to add the 0th sample. So we are keeping the original 0 as it is. After that we add, that is no sample, that is 0 at one location. Next location we are taking from here, that is 1. Again we will add the 0. So at even number position we add the 0 values, and at the odd position at the odd position we added the 0, and at the even position we are taking the value from the original signal. So in the first video I have already explained x of n by 2 and x of 2n in a detailed manner. So this is nothing but the upscaling of the signal. So here we are expanding the signal. So to expand the signal, in between we are putting the zeros. So when n by 2 is there, so we require to take the signal original on the even location, and at the odd location we are putting the 0 values. Next is x of n into x of minus n plus 3. Now x of n is nothing but the original signal. Already we applied x of minus n plus 3. Now x of minus n means first apply the folding operation and then the delay operation, that is signal shift to the left by 3 units. So this is the output of x of minus n plus 3. Now we require to multiply x into n. So when we multiply the two signals, their location should match. So this is the 0th location and this is the 0th location of the second signal. If the values are not there, means they are absent, so that values are nothing but zeros. So we multiply, so we are getting the answer 4 into 1, 1 into 1, 1 into 1, 1 into 4, that is 4, 1, 1, 4, that is a signal. Next operation is x of n into u of minus n plus 3. So first, as you know u of n very well, I have written directly u of minus n. So this is u of minus n, that is on the negative side one value comes. After that u of minus n plus 3. We shift the arrow to the left by 3 units because it is the folded plus delayed version. 1, 2 and 3. So here our 0 starts. Now see, 0 starts and this side is positive and this side is negative. So this is u of minus n plus 3. Now we require to multiply with our signal. So if you multiply, we require to coincide the 0th 0th location. So it will be easy for us to do the multiplication. So 1 into 1 is 1, and we are getting this side is continuously 1. It is not possible for me to draw all the 1 value, but when you solve the manually, you can easily understand this side is continuously 1. So we are getting the original signal as it is. Next problem, x of n is equal to 2 to 1. First we require to do all 6 operation. So this is the x of n, 2 to 1. The signal is present from 0 to 2 location. This is the location of the 0th. X of 2n, 2n is nothing but what? Downsampling or compression, downscaling of the signal, that is compression. So we are taking the values at the even location, at the multiple of 2. So 0th location and second location. So 0th location is 2 and 2 location is 1. So 2, 1, and they are coming at the location 0, 1. So this is x of 2n. X of n by 2 means we are expanding the signal. So we are at the even location, we are taking the original value, but at the odd location we are putting the non-sample, no sample, that is 0th value. So 2, then at 1 and 3 0, and at 2 and 4 we are taking this original signal, that is 2 at 1 value. So this is x of n by 2. Next, x of n we require to do n minus 1. Now it is very easy. N minus 1 is nothing but the delay operation. So shift the arrow to the left by 1 unit. So on the left hand side nothing is there, means all values are 0, 0. So signal is shifted. As signal is shifted here, the 0 starts from here. So 0, 1, 2, 3. Now you can easily see that the signal gets delayed. Signal initially started at the 0th location. Now the 2 value is at 0th location. Now 2 value is coming at the 1 location. So signal is delayed by 1 unit. X of n plus 1. This is a signal x of n. Now we are shifting arrow to this side. So this is coming the arrow. So now actually this is a small mistake here. This is 0th location, this is minus 1 location, and this is 1 location. So signal started at the, that is these two started at the minus 1 location. So here it is actually minus 1, 0, and then 1 location. X of n, x of minus n, we are shifting this positive side to the negative side. So on the negative side no signal is values are present. So 0, 0 come here. X of minus n minus 1 means the signal folding as well as the advance. Oh, in the advance we always shift the arrow to the right. So we are shifting this arrow to the right and we started the signal from this location. So this is 0. All these values are minus and these are the plus indices. X of minus n plus 1 is nothing but the folded plus delay. And in delay we always shift the signal to the left by that particular unit. So this is x of minus n. We shift this arrow to here and we are getting 0th here, and after that we adjust the location. Now this is a problem. X of n is equal to summation k equal to minus 4 to 4 delta n minus k. Now the definition of delta is, I have written on the first slide, unit impulse sequence or delta function which is 1 when n equal to 0, otherwise it is always, or rest of the time it is always 0. So it is active only when n equal to 0. Now here in the problem summation is given. Now first we will try with all the values. This is the delta function which is 1 when values is 0, or for all rest of the values it is always 0. Now first we will put the values of k as minus 4. So when we put the k equal to minus 4, function become delta n plus 4, k minus 3 delta n plus 3. So in this way we put all 9 values, that is from minus 4 to plus 4. So we are getting minus 4 to plus 4 equation like delta n plus 4, n plus 3, n plus 2 dash 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 up to n minus 4. Now this is the delta n signal. What is mean by delta n plus 4? It is the advance. So we are shifting arrow to the right by 4 units. So this is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is our signal starts here, and all this minus 1. Now see, initially 1 is at the 0th location, now it is at minus 4 because signal advance. Similarly, we can write down for n plus 3, in which we require to shift arrow to the right by 3 units, that is 1, 2, 3. So this is the signal. N plus 2, we shift the arrow to the right by 2 units, so signal started. See, here initially signal started at the -4, next signal started at the -3, -2, -1. Delta n is nothing but again it comes the original. Now this is nothing but what? Summation. So it is not possible on the screen to add all the signals, so that's why it is represented as intermediate signal. So intermediate signal, when we add all the signal, we are getting at the particular location -4, only 1 is 0, all remaining values are 0. So 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0, we are getting 1. So in this way we are adding that particular location. So here we are getting answer 1 1 1 1. Now the rest of the answer is 0 because we have calculated only 50% answer. Now we are going for the next, that is n minus 1. N minus 1 is nothing but the delayed signal by 1 unit. So shift the arrow to the left by 1, shift the arrow to the by 2, 3 and 4, and when we add the signal we are getting this 1 1 1. So this is nothing but the final signal. So this is the, for this question, whenever whatever the value of n, we are getting that particular value. This is the exercise for you. X of n is equal to, k is going from -infinity to infinity, delta n minus 2k. I am giving the hint for this problem. N equal to 2k, when k values are like this, n is like this. Now try to solve this problem and obtain the signal x of n. Thank you watching for my video. If you like my videos, subscribe my channel. This is the second part of the sketch signal. In part 3, I am going to cover next level of signal manipulation exercises. Thank you very much.